Hello, I'm Nancy Adamek from Lena Patchwork, and we specialize in English paper piecing. And today I've brought you our new pattern, which is called Tudor Rose. And it's a table runner pattern, like you can see here on the table. And I had a lot of fun designing it because I wanted to use some of our new shapes that we have in our selection. So you can see here, if we take this block here, it's like an 8-pointed star, you can see here, but it has an octagon in the middle. And this shape here, which is a pentagon, we actually call a jewel. And it's a 45-degree jewel because it comes from a 45-degree diamond. And in the end, you would have a lovely block made up like this, a star. So this brings us to the end of part 1. In the next part, we will show you how to do the filler-in blocks and how to continue working on our table runner.